Hi everybody. Today we have another Cocotique box. And I'm here again with Stephanie. Alright. Oh, we have another bag. This time, what does it say? Black Girl Magic is like milk and honey. Irresistibly sweet. That's nice. Alright. So we have the card with all the info on it. Now I do know that they have this brand called Lottabody. It's an old brand that's been around for a long time, but they have a new line of products now called Milk and Honey. That's why it says like milk and honey. Okay. All right. The first thing I see is some Creme mineral bath salt for joint and muscle. We got a nice relaxing bath salt. And oh, I did see this in the spoiler. These hair elastics. See, they have a big one for your big bun. You want to look at it? Just a quick look. Oh, see, that's a big one. So how about you take the big one and I'll keep the little one. All right. Oh, then we have this Palmer's coconut oil body lotion. We got the big bottle this time.
Yeah, I have one of those.
Yeah, you got a big one? Okay, good. I'll just keep this one. And
yeah, this is the one that matched that oil that you have.
yeah. And this is the Lottabody, some of the Lottabody products we have. Everything else in here is from Lottabody. So this is the Restore Me Cream Shampoo. It says removes product buildup, restores moisture, makes hair soft and manageable. For natural hair, no sulfates. So this is a sulfate-free shampoo too.
And honey, I hope it has honey because I know that works really nice in my hair.
Yeah.
It does. It smells
But I'd
sweet.
like to. It does. I'd like to try it too, even though it says for natural hair. I want to try it too. And it has the matching Restore Me Cream Conditioner. Smell this. It smells sweet too, like the shampoo. I remember Lottabody from a long time ago. They used to make this setting lotion. It was in the same type of bottle as this, but it was a setting lotion. Like when you roller set your hair, you smooth it on, and it worked really well. Now these two are definitely for you. This is the Milk and Honey Elongate Me Curl Stretcher. It says light hold, elongates and stretches curls, makes curls uniform, alcohol free and non-drying. So you should enjoy that one.
We'll see. We'll see how it works.
Yeah. And also we have the Hold Me Maximum Hold Styling Gel. I think if you put that and then the styling gel on top. What does it smell like? Same smell? Is it sweet?
It's milder.
Milder?
That smells kind of like soap.
That's the styling gel. That's a big tub of styling gel. That should last you a good while. And then the last thing is the Boost Me Curl Boosting Smoothie. Medium hold, moisturizes and controls frizz, adds definition and shine, non-flaking.
Well, maybe all three of them may
Exactly.
actually elongate my hair.
Yeah, use all three, huh?
You see this here? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Do that.
Yeah,
I wasn't about to do that to my whole head.
Right. But you can
But
use
if
these
I do want
like,
to do it to my whole head, I'll do it.
do it all over, stretch it out, and then all of it will look like these little coils right here. That'd be cute. This smells like the same, sweet. All right, so you can keep these for sure.
And then when I first use it, I guess I'll try these.
Right, and I would like to try this at least. Then maybe you can just keep the whole set. Okay, if you like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so we have all the Lottabody hair products and the Palmer's lotion.
A lot of hair body. A lot of volume. A lot of body.
Yeah, the elastics. And the mineral bath salt for joints and muscles.
Yeah,
And that's everything. Oh, you saw it.
No, because I didn't.
Okay, I hope it doesn't show up on the camera.
No, it's not gonna show.
Okay. All right, so that's all for Cocotique. Oh, this will be my last box for now.
Oh.
Yeah, but I might sign up again later because this was a 3-month subscription, and it was $66 for 3 months. But
that's kind of cool.
yeah, that's a good price for 3 boxes. But I wasn't ready to shell out another $66 since I can't go to work these days. I didn't want to pay another $66. But anyway, that's all we have for the August Cocotique box. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.